Welcome. In this video, we'll explore how to efficiently search for audio files in Google Drive on your PC, especially with the new updates that enhance your experience. Let's dive right into the steps. First, open your web browser and navigate to Google Drive by typing drive.google.com in the address bar. Make sure you are logged into your Google account to access your files. Once you're in Google Drive, look at the search bar at the top of the page. You'll notice a small icon resembling a funnel or filter. This is the advanced search icon. Click on this icon to open a drop-down menu that allows you to refine your search. In the advanced search menu, you will see various options to customize your search. Focus on the type section. Here you can select different file types. Since we are looking for audio files, click on the drop-down menu next to type and choose audios. This will filter your search results to show only audio files stored in your drive. Next, let's narrow down the results even further. In the same advanced search menu, locate the Owner section. Click on it and select Owned by Me. This option ensures that you are only viewing audio files that you have uploaded or created yourself, making it easier to find what you need. Now that you've set your filters, click on the search button or simply hit Enter on your keyboard. Google Drive will display a list of audio files that match your criteria. Take a moment to browse through these results. When you find the audio file you want, simply click on it to open or play it directly from Google Drive. If you need to download it or share it with someone else, right-click on the file for additional options, and there you have it. With these simple steps, searching for audio files in Google Drive has never been easier. Whether you're looking for recordings of meetings, music, or any other audio content, these updated features help streamline the process and improve accessibility. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips on using Google Drive and other tech tools effectively.